Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Zebronics test engineering for zero experience 1 to 2 LPA they are providing at Chennai Madhavaram. The roles and responsibility: advantage knowledge in electronic speaker, automobile, other IT product. Their good knowledge in smart devices and other project. The qualification will be diploma and any degree, EEE, EC, CAC background, language Tamil and English preferred. Candidate should have basic theory knowledge of core electronics, freshers only alone. Candidate can contact HR person, they provide the number. CTC will be 1 LPA to 2 LPA, full-time job, and keys will be electronic product and R&D speakers they are mentioning here. These are all their simplest job opportunities for freshers. Those who are ready to relocate, they can ready to relocate and join here. So don't miss this opportunity, it is good for you. So apply as much quickly, it will be helpful for you in future. So if you have any doubt while filling the form, comment me in the comment section. I'll clear a doubt. You are going to apply in their company website. After creating your mail, you just upload with your resume. After selection, you may contact from your HR. Otherwise, send a link. Send the resume to the WhatsApp number. They will reply to you. Just tongue slipping, guys. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, comment me. Thank you once again.